First quarter guidance. Let's just go midpoint here because I can do that math. $2.35. The street was looking for $3.45. That's an unmitigated disaster, which really should come as no surprise because the stock has not bounced at all now for the last 3.5, 4 months. By the way, a name that I liked for a long time and still like to a certain point because I think you can wrap your head around what they're trying to do. But it's interesting. This stock, even with the move lower, is probably more expensive, I've said this all the time, than it was 2.5 hours ago. As counterintuitive as that sounds. So there'll be a place to buy this stock. It probably comes in the form of about 98 or so, which is where we broke down from in January of 2020.
You don't like tech?
No, I think this just highlights the cyclicality of tech. You know, everybody got used to thinking of tech as being a defensive during COVID, but that was very unique to the COVID situation, the COVID recession. It's very clear. I mean, in every other cycle in history, tech acts as a cyclical, and we are going into a cyclical downturn. What did Powell say? The first thing right off the gates, we've seen a slowdown in the economy, right? And look at what's going on with all of the tech that requires earnings from advertising. Like, you're seeing this begin to slow, and I think that's just going to start and continue for quite some time.